Taking a look at two Almar knives. These are the SERE, the SERE 2020 models. They're a Linerlock. They've got a G10 grip. They've got a flipper with a loaded open. And they use AMK 2214 steel. Now, what's neat about these is the colors are different. You've got the green one here on the right and the tan one here on the left. It's subtle, but when you're matching it with gear, matching it with other equipment, it's nice that they offer the slightly tanner Coyote color along with the OD green. Now, both of these are the 3.6 inch satin blade, AMK 2214. Open with ease, tip up carry. You can flip the clip for left-handed carry if you'd like. And that's the comparison between Coyote and OD green. Hope that helps.